know you guys want like a update driving video with the new turbo, so here it is. But we have to mess with the settings on the camera because it's super dark for you. You can't see anything. But the car runs. Yeah. Minor leaks, but not so much. That was scary. What is going on YouTube? So it is a couple days after Brady and I were doing that pull and the car cut out on us. And I picked up a, what is this? A Foxwell NT301 OBD2 scanner. So we can finally read the codes on why my check engine light has been on for like the past years and see what's wrong there. And then with this, we should just be able to figure out what is wrong with the car instead of chasing issues the whole time. I don't know. I like doing all the work on my car and changing things and guessing and stuff, whatever. Change old parts, put new parts on, but it costs a lot of money. So yeah, let's get this thing opened. Let's figure out how to use it, and we will plug it into the car and see what it can do and see how it helps us. Seems pretty straightforward. We are going to plug it into the OBD2 port on the car, turn on the ignition, but not turn on the car. This thing should power up and we should be good to go. So OBD2 port is right under the dash, so light switch is here. You come right down below and it is going to be that thing with the pink on it, and we'll just plug it in right here. Weird. So it said it would power up with the key on in the ignition, so I'm going to turn on the ignition just so we have a better source of power, I guess. But it is already on, as you guys can see. Alright. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but we have the OBD2 OBD, so we'll just press enter. It has it circled with the blue box. See what it does, and it's reading. Alright guys, so we are in, and we are going to read codes. So let's check the stored. P0600. Let me Google that and see what it is. We also have P0444, which is evaporative emission system, purge control valve circuit open, and P0606 ECM PCM processor. Alright, so I am going to go ahead and write this stuff down. It is the next day. I went ahead, kind of did some digging on the internet, and I actually found a similar thread to mine, and he put a fresh purge valve in his son's car, and had the same issue. The code P0444 kept coming back, and this is a Dorman 911800 purge valve. Anyway, this valve does not work on my car. I had the urge to just try the old one. I only pulled the old one off because I was doing a boost leak test, and boost was actually getting by it and going into the gas tank and pressurizing the gas tank, which is not good. And you don't really want any pressure in that system. So threw the old one in. The old one works. The new one is trash, so I would not recommend the Dorman Part 911800. Even though it looks good, I totally thought this thing would work fine, but obviously not, so trash it.